Hey, what's up, guys? It's your friend Fast Eddie, and today I got another little treat for you. This is the awesome Absaroka County Sheriff's Bronco from Longmire. This is, of course, from Greenlight Collectibles. This is their 1/18th size, and it is a 1994 Ford Bronco XLT. Now, for some reason, it doesn't actually say Longmire on the box anywhere. I mean, obviously, it doesn't say it on the Bronco itself, because that'd be a little bit ridiculous, it doesn't put his name on it in the show or anything like that. But obviously we can tell it is the actual Bronco used in the show. So let's take a little quick trip around the box here. Obviously here's the side. Both sides look exactly the same. Once again, you get the sheriff's badge on here with the Absaroka County Highway there in the background. Back looks exactly the same as the front, so nothing there really. Underneath here, we get all the Ford licensed product stuff like that, and the Greenlight collectibles, all that good stuff. Bottom of the box, nothing really too much to look at there. On top, we get the Artisan collection, as the same as all the other Broncos, the top of the boxes. All of the boxes in this series look pretty much exactly the same, with a picture on the front and then Artisan all on the sides and top and all the other good stuff. So let's get this box open and check out the actual Bronco itself. And boom, just like that, here we go, guys. Here is the beautiful 94 Bronco from Longmire. This thing looks fantastic. The paintwork on this is beautiful. They did a really good job with it, with all the markings on it. The gold sheriff's badge, obviously the sheriff on the wheel wells there, and on the back and on the front hood as well. Once again, the cap does come off. This is just a white cap here, which looks great on it. And it does have, look at that there, really nice detail. All these Broncos come with the removable caps, which is very cool. And I believe some of them have, what's it called, the rear defroster, and some of them don't. This one does, in fact, come with the rear defroster, as you can clearly see. Let's go and put the cap back on there. This is my only complaint about these Broncos. The caps just pretty much sit on there. They can come off, it doesn't snap on anywhere. It would be a lot nicer if it did actually snap into place. Anyway, let's look at the rest of the package. Like I said here, it does have the nice gold logo there. Nice gold reflective logo on it. Bronco XLT, which looks very good. Nice wheels and tires. It's got the old bullet holes, if you will, as they called them back in the day. They look great on here. Nice silver color. At least they didn't put them in black this time. It does have the chrome package on it. Obviously, you can see here the chrome mirrors, chrome grille, chrome bumpers, front and rear. The wheels, I believe, were polished. I don't think they actually came in chrome. And this one, being the sheriff, does have the bumper guard or push bar, whichever you would like to call it. There's the bumper. The headlights look great. Grille and bumper look great as well. Let's go down the other side here. Exactly the same, obviously, once again with sheriff on the hood. Now, that's the other thing with these. The hoods do not open on any of these Broncos. The doors open, the cap comes off, but the hood does not open. Go around here to the side where we can see the exhaust pipe, which actually has no cutout in it. So that would not run very well. Anyway, just little things that I noticed like that. I guess I'm kind of weird. But here on the back again, we get the spare tire. And with all of these Broncos, the spare tire does actually open. So we can flip it open like that. Now what's cool is the spare tire actually opens, and you can even see the tire inside there underneath of the cover, which is pretty freaking cool. Now if we take the cap back off, the tailgate does open as well, and that actually latches. You have to kind of pull up and out on it, and it folds down just like so. So you can actually get a little quick glimpse of the interior there. Let's go ahead and close it back. Once again, up and push it down to snap it into place. And this, unlike the cap, actually snaps into place. Once again, the Ford emblem over there. Nice look. Oh, I see a little bit of paint missing over there. And then here we go with the license plate, which is the actual license plate from the show itself, which is pretty cool. Nice little added touch. So, like I said, I wonder why they don't just call it the Longmire Bronco, but hey, maybe they can't get the rights. But you would think they would need the rights to get the plate as well. But pretty cool. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, so the license plate, like I said, in case it didn't come through, the license plate is the same as it is on Longmire. So yeah, guys, once again, the Longmire Bronco is beautiful. The doors do open. We can check them out. Let's open both sides. Let's take the cap back off so we can get some more light in there. And that way you can see the full interior there. See the steering wheel actually says Ford on it, and obviously it's an automatic. His was an automatic in the show. You can see all the HVAC controls as well. And it even says XLT there. Pretty cool. Seats are pretty nice. Not too much detail, but good enough for this type of price range. So yeah, very nice. Let's close these doors back up. Set our cap back on. And there we go. Longmire is ready for duty. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, obviously this is the Greenlight Artisan series, the Absaroka County Sheriff 1/18 scale. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time.